Hey everyone, it's Lwandile here, the leader and the instructor of my life programming. And right now, I'm about to give you guys a solution on the second exercise. Okay, I gotta print a box like the one below. Okay, I've already given you guys a solution on this exercise over here. So what I'll be doing now is to jump on to idle and try to give you another one. Okay. Again, you guys, you've got to know that the grass looks greener on the other side of the fence. Meaning, in simple terms, some things may look very simple at a distance, but if you get closer and closer, you get to realize how hard they can be. So the reason why I'm letting you know about this is because I dare you to make sure that you do try exercising on your own. Okay, you don't want to keep watching me without any practice. You see, programming is more or less like math in many ways. Okay, again, let me jump back to this PDF over here. As you can see, this is the box that I'm trying to display. So here is the game plan. The very first thing I want to do is to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 asterisks, and then I go to the next line. I'll make use of the separator here, you guys. I'll simply display an asterisk, a comma, another asterisk, a comma. Finally, as for my separator, I'll put 18 lines and 18 spaces. Okay, so it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17. Yeah, 17 should do it. Okay, and then I do that. Okay, the very same thing applies for my third line, and then finally I'll display precisely what I've got up there. Now let's hit the run button and see what we get. Oops, I messed up. I need to add one space over there and one space over there. Now let's hit the run button and see what we get. Boom! As you can see, you guys, this is what we have. So that's gonna be it for this tutorial, you guys. Cheers, I'm gone.